Hey crypto explorers! Ever found yourself staring at your Newton balance, itching to move those digital assets, and a nagging question pops into your head, just how much is Newton going to charge me for this? You're not alone. It's a crucial question for any crypto investor, especially when you're looking to access your funds or move them to another platform. Hidden fees can really eat into your profits, and understanding the withdrawal process and associated costs is absolutely essential. Think about it. You've navigated the exciting world of crypto trading. Maybe you've DCA'd into your favorite coins, or perhaps you've made some savvy trades. Now, the time has come to realize some of those gains or simply manage your crypto holdings elsewhere. The last thing you want is to be surprised by hefty withdrawal fees that take a significant chunk of your hard-earned crypto. In today's deep dive, we're going to unravel the mystery of Newton's crypto withdrawal fees. We'll explore the different cryptocurrencies they offer, understand their withdrawal mechanisms, and, most importantly, pinpoint exactly what you can expect to pay when you decide to move your digital assets off the Newton platform. We'll also touch upon any potential nuances or factors that might influence these fees, ensuring you have a complete picture. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get crystal clear on Newton's crypto withdrawal charges. First things first, it's important to understand that cryptocurrency withdrawal fees can vary significantly across different exchanges and platforms. There's no one-size-fits-all model. Some platforms might offer free withdrawals for certain cryptocurrencies, while others might charge a flat fee or a fee based on the network congestion at the time of the transaction. This is because when you withdraw cryptocurrency, the platform essentially facilitates a transaction on the respective blockchain network. These networks often have their own associated gas or transaction fees, which can fluctuate depending on network activity. Exchanges like Newton have to factor these network costs, as well as their own operational costs, into their withdrawal fee structure. Now, let's zoom in specifically on Newton. As a Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform, Newton aims to provide users with access to a variety of popular cryptocurrencies. Their fee structure is designed to be transparent, but navigating the specifics of crypto withdrawals requires a closer look. To get a precise understanding of Newton's withdrawal fees, the best place to start is always their official website or their in-app fee schedule. Cryptocurrency exchanges are generally quite good at publishing their fee structures, as transparency is key in building user trust. These fee schedules are typically updated to reflect any changes in network conditions or the exchange's policies. Based on publicly available information and typical practices in the cryptocurrency exchange landscape, here's what we can generally expect regarding Newton's crypto withdrawal fees. Flat fees versus network fees. Often, exchanges will employ one of two primary models for withdrawal fees, or sometimes a combination of both. Flat fee. This is a fixed amount of a specific cryptocurrency that you pay for each withdrawal, regardless of the withdrawal amount. For example, an exchange might charge a flat fee of 0.001 Bitcoin for any Bitcoin withdrawal. Network fee, or gas fee. This fee is dynamic and is directly related to the transaction fees on the specific blockchain network. When the network is busy and there are a lot of transactions being processed, the network fees tend to be higher. Exchanges might pass this cost directly to the user, or they might incorporate it into their own fee structure. Newton's likely approach. Given the general practices of cryptocurrency exchanges, it's highly probable that Newton's crypto withdrawal fees will either be a flat fee for each specific cryptocurrency or a fee that takes into account the underlying network costs. They might also have a minimum withdrawal amount for certain cryptocurrencies. Specific cryptocurrency fees, examples. Please check Newton's official fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. To give you a clearer picture, let's consider some of the popular cryptocurrencies that Newton typically offers and what their withdrawal fees might look like. These are examples and should be verified on Newton's platform. Bitcoin, BTC. You might expect a flat fee, perhaps in the range of 0.0001 to 0.0005 BTC per withdrawal. This can fluctuate based on Bitcoin network congestion, so Newton might adjust their fee accordingly or have a system that dynamically reflects these changes. Ethereum, ETH. Similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum withdrawals might also incur a flat fee, potentially in the range of 0.001 to 0.005 ETH. Again, Ethereum's gas fees can be volatile, which might influence Newton's approach. Litecoin, LTC. Litecoin transactions generally have lower network fees compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Consequently, the withdrawal fee on Newton for LTC might be lower, perhaps in the range of 0.001 to 0.01 LTC. Other altcoins. For other cryptocurrencies supported by Newton, the withdrawal fees will vary depending on the specific blockchain network and the token itself. For example, withdrawing stablecoins like USDT or USDC might have different fee structures depending on the network they operate on, e.g., Ethereum, Tron, etc. Factors influencing withdrawal fees. Several factors can influence the crypto withdrawal fees you might encounter on Newton. Network congestion. As mentioned earlier, the activity on a specific blockchain network plays a significant role. During peak times, when many users are transacting, the network fees tend to increase, and exchanges might pass on some or all of this increase to the user. Exchange policies. Ultimately, it's the exchange's decision on how to structure their fees. They need to balance covering network costs with remaining competitive and transparent to their users. Specific cryptocurrency. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique blockchain and associated transaction fees. Therefore, the withdrawal fee will differ from one cryptocurrency to another on the same platform. Withdrawal amount. Less likely for crypto. Unlike traditional banking, where fees might be a percentage of the withdrawal amount, cryptocurrency withdrawal fees are more commonly flat fees. However, it's always worth checking if Newton has any tiered fee structure based on the amount being withdrawn, although this is less common for crypto. How to find the exact withdrawal fees on Newton. The most reliable way to determine Newton's current crypto withdrawal fees is to directly consult their official resources. Here's how you can typically find this information. Newton's website. Navigate to Newton's official website. Look for sections like Fees, Pricing, or Help Center. Within these sections, you should find a detailed breakdown of all the fees associated with using their platform, including withdrawal fees for each cryptocurrency they support. Newton's mobile app. If you primarily use the Newton mobile app, check for a Fees or Account section within the app. Often, exchanges provide fee information directly within the user interface for easy access. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.